Hey everyone, in today's video we'll see about a real-time AI chatbot that runs entirely on your own machine with no internet, no API key, and no cost. It's a private AI chatbot just like ChatGPT, but totally offline. So let's get started. This chatbot is powered by DialoGPT, which basically have three variations. Here I'm using DialoGPT small. There are other two, which is medium and large. If you're preferring to build a rich and more effective conversation model, you can go for large DialoGPT. It's a conversational model developed by Microsoft. It understands your message and responds like you're chatting with a real person, all in real time. So I built more like a real modern chat app. You'll have a message box, conversation bubbles, and response appears instantly after you type. It keeps your entire conversation history on the screen, just like WhatsApp or Messenger. So let's see how it actually works. I used Streamlit to build this entire front page or web application. The chatbot itself uses DialoGPT, a transformer-based language model designed specifically for dialogues. We load the model and tokenizer once using caching, so it doesn't reload every time. Every time the user sends a message, it gets tokenized, processed by the model, and the AI generates a new response. We then display both the user input and the bot reply using Streamlit chat layout. And it keeps the conversation flow by storing your past input and appending them to maintain context. So the bot doesn't forget what you just said. And of course, it uses your local memory to store the information. The advantage of using this application is because it's free, offline, fast, and super easy to customize if you're a developer. For future enhancement, we can use or add voice support. Imagine talking to your bot using a microphone and hearing it respond and basically like a text to speech. Include memory and personalization. Let the bot remember who you are, your preference, even your mood. Customize your personal modes like coach, therapist, or even a pirate. We can tweak the personality to match your mood. Just have as a personal assistant by summarizing your notes, giving feedbacks, or helping you study, all without sending anything online. If you have high-end model or high-end machines, you can use these powerful LLMs to upgrade your entire application. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.